welcome back to our vlog. We're out here at Willowbank today doing a one-on-one coaching session. The sun's out, it's been wet for a few months, so we're happy to be back riding again. Tag along for the day and check out what we do. I should be coaching you guys today again, eh?
Yeah.
So how long since you guys have ridden?
Like, a month.
Yeah, you must be busting to get out there.
Yeah. Like learning how, like, you know, like my body positioning on the bike.
Yeah.
Like where to like hold on the gas that bit longer and stuff.
And how much quicker did you get?
7 seconds.
Properly riding, probably over 30 years now.
Yeah. And what do you want to achieve out of today?
Confidence, want to sort of remove the intimidation at my age.
Yeah, cool.
And just have a good time and learn the basics.
3 laps, how you normally ride. We're going to film again afterwards, alright? So go out, get into it. Hey, good man. Oh, Sheldon, how are you?
Yeah, very well.
You can see his confidence is not great, but we're going to change that by the end of the day. See, his knees are apart. Very nervous, very tight, so that's all we're going to work on. So this is before we're actually even training, we're just seeing how we ride. What we're working on now is John is not a very confident rider, so we're really working on his body position on a bike, and we're seeing really quick improvements. Check this out. In 5 minutes, he's absolutely changed the way he looks on a dirt bike. So I'm not going to go into too many of my Colonel Sanders secret spices here, but this is so good to see, and I think by the end of our video today, it's going to be pretty awesome to see the change.
Bringing on my confidence. I feel more in control of the bike and balance as well.
Yeah, you look better, dude. You look better straight away. So, we go home now?
Yeah.
What I want to point out now is how much further back his knees are. That is his first flyby he's ever done.
Amazing. There's a lot to take in, but I feel like we're on the right track.
Yeah.
Yeah, great day out, Mel, legend. I think pretty well. This morning I found it quite challenging, just yeah, getting out of the headspace of going I can't do it, and knowing that I can do it, and actually realising that the potential that my bike has is a lot more than had expected, and you know, I can go at that speed with it as well. Yeah, probably 1.5, 2.
Yeah, and this afternoon, where do you reckon you're at?
Probably, yeah, 5, 6, but only because I know I've got a long way still to go.
Yeah, cool.